Let's talk about choosing the right technology for your project. So if you're a founder or you're a leader and you're trying to decide the technology stack for your next project, then there are three things I'm going to tell you about choosing the technology stack for a project. The first thing is the type of project you are trying to build will determine the technology to use. So if you are trying to build something for the web, I would obviously recommend JavaScript because JavaScript is known as the language for the web. And if you are trying to build something that is data intensive, then Python is probably preferable because there are a lot of libraries that help you make a lot of data analytics with Python that are available also. The next thing is the skill available to you. Let's say you want to build something for the web. Like I mentioned, JavaScript is known as the language for the web. So I would recommend use a JavaScript-based framework or tool. React is the most popular front-end framework. So I would recommend you use React for your front end and then decide also something based on JavaScript for your back end. Because it's easier for you to see developers and engineers that know JavaScript to build your project. And if it is scarce, if you can choose a language that is scarce, then you might have to pay a premium to get people to work on the project. Then the third thing I'll talk about is if you are trying to build a mobile application, I would suggest you use a stack that is cross-platform. What I mean is you want to use one code base to build for both Android and iOS. It's going to be expensive for you to have a team working on iOS and have another team working on Android. So languages and frameworks like React Native, Flutter, Dart are now very popular because they are cross-platform. Just one code base for both iOS and Android. And these are a few things you can consider on your next project.